think that the Toronto District School Board should report to us and tell us which schools don't have cameras that are working. And I mean, this is why I'm running, because I'm running for City Council because I would love to partner with the schools, with the Toronto District School Board, and with parents, and get parents involved, because they're not involving us at all, and try and do something, you know, make a safety plan and try and stop this violence from happening.
So at this point, Bakari and Lena, it is a calm, quiet atmosphere around the school. Police are no longer on scene, but of course the investigation into what exactly happened continues. Back to you.
Live at David and Mary Thompson.
See the beautiful scenery and greenery, baby. No greenery.
गोपी जी, अभी हम लोग ये कहाँ आ गए?
ये है एम्बेसडर ब्रिज सामने।
वो दूर जो थोड़ा ब्लू ग्रीन कलर में है। Is that the one?
Yes.
Oh wow. और एम्बेसडर ब्रिज क्रॉस करते ही क्या यूएस हो जाता है?
Yes.
Okay.
We have those too. Whatever floats your gravy boat. Visit us in store or at longos.com for quality that meets your family standards this Thanksgiving. Trust ours. Longos.
At Kelsey's, we have everything to enjoy this NHL.
Keep right.
Bridge to car, buses and RVs.
Participating restaurants.
Ontario has never invested more in student success. That's why every day we're taking action to develop Canada's energy resources.
लिखा है देखो एम्बेसडर ब्रिज।
Cenovus is a Canadian-based oil and gas company working with our peers, governments, and scientists to find innovative ways to reduce our emissions and water use, reclaim the land we work on, and much more. See how we're taking action at sustainabilitythroughaction.com. At Wine Rack, you can shop delicious wines at our lowest prices of the season. At $5 off, these prices can
15% discount on all in-store purchases.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
Available at
Welcome to the United States of America. वो कनाडा का इवेंट था।
वो फ्लैग के साथ।
You never know, she might push anything. तो गोपी जी, आज आप अभी तक कहाँ पहुँचे?
अभी
हाँ,
ये जगह का पता नहीं, पर मेरा बॉडी जो है अलग जोन में पहुंच गया है।
काफी लंबा सफर रहा अभी तक।
8 घंटे का जो ड्राइव है
ओह,
वो ऑलमोस्ट अभी 10 घंटा हो चुका है। लंबे ड्राइव में 400-500 किलोमीटर में देखो सामने
Uncovered from CBC Podcasts is your source for exceptional storytelling and groundbreaking journalism.
And delivery based on suites.
Use the right lane to take exit 53C, then keep right.
Hey.